Ugly, untrustworthy URLs are a massive headache. But Google AI Studio just fixed it for free. Now you can assign free custom subdomains. Picture this. You've just spent your entire weekend, maybe even a few late nights fueled by way too much coffee. And it solves a very real, very painful problem. You're immensely proud of this thing. Exactly. So you send the link to a potential client or you post it online for your network to use.
Just absolute silence. Nobody clicks. The analytics shows zero engagement. And it is not because your tool lacks brilliance.
No, not all. It is because the link you shared looks like a chaotic, random string of spammy characters.
Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we are looking at a fundamental shift in how developers and creators present their work to the world.
And it all stems from a massive update by Google that completely eliminates his exact frustration.
It really is a watershed moment for anyone building in the artificial intelligence space right now.
It's huge. I'm sorry, Founder Supin and this huge of your pay.
Google just made custom domains free. No more monthly fees.
But the true value here is really about
Google
digital
AI Studio just added free custom URLs. No more monthly fees.
The true value here is really about digital presentation
Google
and
AI
trust.
Studio just added free custom URLs. No more monthly fees.
The true value here is really about digital presentation and the trust factor.
Exactly, because Google AI Studio now allows developers to attach completely free custom domains to the tools they build.
Which is wild.
It removes those monthly hosting fees that used to act as this huge barrier to entry for
So
independent
the
mission for our deep dive today is to explore how solo operators can leverage this specific free configuration to make your AI tools look incredibly professional and trustworthy. It is the whole game. It really is. We are going to break down the underlying strategy. Because for tech enthusiasts looking to build functional assets without draining their bank accounts, this update fundamentally changes the economics of prototyping.
Right.
It alters the landscape entirely. But before we get into the exact mechanics of what to build and how to configure the backend, we have to look at the root cause. Yeah, we have to look at the massive roadblock that was quietly but ruthlessly killing
I'm telling you,
click-through
Mia,
rates.
this will surely benefit the developers.
I agree, Satish. This is surely indeed a great benefit.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. We are finally here. This is the space where creators can truly explore. It is very intuitive.
That sounds amazing.
You can access all of Google's underlying models. Ugly, untrustworthy URLs are a massive headache. But Google AI Studio just fixed it for free. Now you can assign free custom subdomains. Thank you for watching SDJ07 channel. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Visit often for new updates.